Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to go through some of the top 5 best FCA regulated Forex brokers. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Let's get into it. Firstly, the Financial Conduct Authority, or FCA, is a non-government United Kingdom-based independent body. That's primary purpose is to maintain stability in the UK financial markets. The FCA regulates both retail and wholesale firms to ensure that they remain honest, balanced, and to keep consumers protected. Now let's jump into some of the top 5 best FCA regulated Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Hot Forex. Hot Forex is an online, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, metals, energies, indices, and shares. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature micro, premium, zero spread, auto, and HFCOPY accounts with lower leverage, lower minimum deposits, variable spreads, and more. Hot Forex also provides their very own educational panels, which cover in-depth Forex trading educational videos, training courses, and webinars which you can sign up to at any time you like. Coming in at number 4 on our list, we have Alpari. Alpari is another globally recognized, fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, metals, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live and demo accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Forex Standard, Micro, Forex ECN, and Pro accounts with up to 4 tradable base currency options, floating and fixed spreads, swap-free options, and more. Alpari also provides their very own Beginner's Guide panel, which takes you through all the fundamentals of Forex trading and strategies, as well as a variety of webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional education. At number 3, we have XM. XM is another fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, CFDs, commodities, indices, precious metals, energies, and shares. Their accounts feature micro, standard, XM ultra low, and shares accounts with a variety of base currency options, negative balance protection, lower spreads, and more. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. XM also provides their very own educational learning center, which covers various in-depth trading lessons, videos and written guides, as well as a daily live streaming service and webinars that you can sign up to and take part in for a more personal educational experience. Coming in at number 2, we have Exness. Exness is an online, fully regulated, globally recognized financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, metals, and energies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and their very own web terminal, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Featured accounts are provided on Standard, Raw Spread, Zero, and Pro accounts with low minimum deposits, lower spreads, and more. Exness also provides their very own Trading Academy, which delves into the essentials of trading, various multilingual video guides, market insight and analysis, as well as their upcoming webinars for you to browse through as you please. And coming in at number 1 on our list of the top 5 best FCA regulated Forex brokers, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's WebTrader, and for all your mobile trading activities, Avatrade Options and Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional education. Avatrade have also won multiple awards such as the Best Forex Broker, the Best Trading Experience, the Best Bitcoin and CFD Broker, the Best Affiliate Program, among many others, making Avatrade one of the best options for your preferred online, fully regulated financial broker. And those are the top 5 best FCA regulated Forex brokers on our list. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and guides. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. To open an account with SA Shares Now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading!